Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a Christmassy look using the BretmanRock and Colourpop collaboration stuff. I just got it in the mail. I know I'm late or whatever, but it's cool. I just got it in the mail, so I did do a unboxing and some swatches on my live, but I will I think I'm going to use the Wet collection. I mean, not the Wet collection, but the Wet stuff today. But yeah, so we're going to do that. And before we go ahead and do that, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. It's the red button down below. Make sure you guys hit that bell as well so that you guys can get notified every time I upload or do a live here on my channel. And go ahead and follow me on all of my other social media platforms. That way you guys can stay updated with me on all of the things that I do that you don't see here on YouTube. Okay, so without further ado, let's get to this video. So I think what I want to do is I'm going to do the Wet, just because this palette is giving me icy vibes when I saw it. So this is it here. That's the packaging. Look at that. This is so freaking pretty. Like, this is definitely giving me like icy blue eyes. So yeah, we're gonna use this today. But the only thing, it only has this blue matte, and then it has like these neutrals. So I may have to dig into another palette. Just yeah, I may have to deep into another palette just to get a more deeper, color, whatever. So as always, I'm using my Pete Louise base. You guys already know this is like my diehard base. And if you guys haven't seen my favorites video where I show you guys all of the things that I've been loving, and I always go to, like, no matter what, whether it's for just one part of whatever I'm using or everything, then I will leave it in the cards so you guys can go ahead and watch it. But this base is definitely my favorite. I have like literally stopped using all of my other bases because this is just the shit. So I'm just pretty much patting it in place. And the shade that I use is shade 2, just because it does match a little closer to my skin shade. In the summer, like, I can go for a shade 3, which is a lot warmer. But being that it is winter, well, almost winter, I can use shade 2. So I'm just like spot cleaning my brushes as we go as well, because I didn't wash my brushes like I was supposed to the other day. So I'm just I'm like wiping them, and I actually use this little spot brush cleaner. That is from Amazon. Right? Yeah, I got it from Amazon. That's pretty good. Alright, so first shade I'm gonna go in with is I'm Chillin', which is that shade right there. Like, this is really pretty because I like the fact that it's like, you can travel with it if you wanted to. Alright, so I'm gonna just go ahead and pop this like right here. And I'm gonna build this color up. I don't want to go too deep, right away. So I have a lot of videos that I'm gonna be filming A lot of them are like reviews. I'm gonna be doing like obviously a lot of makeup tutorials. I have to do my second part for my favorites where I'm gonna be doing like skincare and hair. So I have that, and then once I finish, yes. Yes, ma'am. Don't touch. Come here, give me your hand. You got it in your hand. But yeah. What I was saying. Oh, and then once I get my room situated, I actually started to change it around a little bit. So once I get it exactly how I want it to look with the shelving, painting the walls and all that stuff, I will do a beauty room tour. I'm working E39 brush. I'm gonna take that shade Finished. It's a really light icy blue. I'm literally just gonna lightly apply it here so that it can look a lot more vivid. I'm gonna clean it first. I'm gonna take my Sigma E36 brush. I need more of these. Like I need to have like at least 6 of these because this is my favorite brush to use in the crease. Like it's so good. That's how good. Like it's really good. So I'm gonna take my P. Louise palette. This is the Secret Sinner palette. I have not done a video with this yet. I need to because it's, you guys, it's just super freaking pretty. I'm not even gonna show you guys because I just don't want to. So I'm gonna take a shade in the palette that is called Affair, and it's a very deep shade, like a deep blue. So I'm actually gonna put this into the crease to deepen up that blue, like to deepen it up. I'm gonna try to keep it right into the crease, slightly blending into the shade I'm Chillin' from Bretman's palette. And like, I feel like for this palette, I could have done without the neutral shades, to be honest. I could have definitely done without the neutral shades. I feel like if anything, he should have did like a really dark blue and let's see, definitely a dark blue. Could have done a dark blue. And like the shade Fishy here looks like it's a greenish undertone, so I would have said like maybe a matte green. That's what I would do. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take I'm Chillin' again, since we have Affair right there at the corner. I'm going to take I'm Chillin' and just really like pat that here so it can blend with the whatchamacallit, the base. See? And then I'm gonna take the shade LOL I'm Crying. This shade is so pretty. That one there. And I'm gonna take small package. Cool. Alright, so I'm gonna take this brush from Cosmetics. It's from their polka dot brush set. I'm just gonna pack the shadow there, and we're just going to pack this on. Now I'm gonna try to use it with just a brush and see how this goes. And if it doesn't go how I want it to look, we will use our finger, the Crown C510 shader brush, and I'm gonna take the shade Thickums. It's this nice silver shade here. I'm gonna put that in the inner corner. So we're gonna put that right here. Oh. Ooh. You guys, this is a lot more pigmented than LOL on Cotton. Wow. Maybe it's the brush. Let's try the brush, clean it off, and use LOL on mine. No, it doesn't make a difference. Okay, so Thickums is definitely a very pigmented silver shade. Like I need to go in with my finger. Alright, so I'm just gonna go on my finger. And we're gonna blend these shades together. And I'm just patting them. I'm gonna use the dark blue shade, which is called Mood. And I'm gonna put that in that area right there where it's opened. So right here. Again, we're going to want to blend it with the other blue. Alright, you guys, so I did my foundation and everything off camera. So we're going to finish off the eyes. I don't like the way my skin looks. It's like I'm breaking out and it just looks horrible. Alright, so I'm going to take this Makeup Geek Full Spectrum Eyeliner in Cobalt. I believe this is discontinued. So you will not be able to get this. And I'm just pressing this shade right now for the meantime. I'm not gonna blend it in, not just yet. I just want to get it to where it needs to be first. I'm gonna mix the shade I'm Chillin' and Finished, and just blend that underneath. Just to give it like a nice light blue shade. Finish off of my arms. I'm gonna go in with blush, and I'm gonna use the shade Stop It. I'm scared to use this because it's so dark. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna just tap into it. Just try to get, there you go. Just a nice light blush look. Okay, so highlight is down. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go in with, which one is the blue shade? I think it's this one. Yeah. So we're going to go in with the glitter. This is like a jelly glitter. This is really, really pretty. So just to be extra, I'm just going to go ahead and dip my finger in it. I'm going to add this like right here. So pretty. Just like that. The last thing we have to do is lips, and I'm going to do lashes off camera because we all know I can't see for nothing, so I I definitely be needing to be like hella close. Alright, so I'm gonna take the lip liner. Is this like sharpenable? Because it's sure to like twist up. Alright, so it's my first time trying Colourpop lip pencils, and it's really nice. Why are my lips today? Alright, so this is it. It's so pretty. It's like really, really creamy. I really like this. Combo is really pretty. Alright, so if you didn't want to do like the gloss or whatever, you can definitely do this. And as you guys see, like this lip combo definitely makes my lips look a lot plumped, a lot more plumped, which I really, really do like and enjoy. But we gotta be extra. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look here. If you guys really like. So I hope you really guys enjoyed this video and I like the look they created here with the BretmanRock and Colourpop collaboration. I used the wet set. I really did like all of the products that I did use. They were very like blendable. The shadows are amazing. The blush definitely really pigmented, so I had to go very light hand with it. I love this glitter jelly stuff, and the lip combo is a bomb. Like this is definitely excuse me. This is definitely my kind of lip. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, if you're not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you guys can get notified every time I do upload a video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video and enjoyed the look that I created. And make sure you guys follow me on all of my other social media platforms. Everything will be listed down below. That way you guys can stay updated with me on all types of looks and other things that I do that you don't see here on YouTube. So without further ado, I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye. I'm going to go wash this off my face and go to bed because my voice is going. So yeah, see you guys.